Hey, I'm going to show you how you can watch any Instagram videos or IGTV videos on your TV if you have a Google Chromecast connected to it. So if you have a Chromecast, set it up first, like follow their instructions. And then I use this free app called Cast Button for Instagram Video. They have it for iOS and Android, so just get it from the Play Store or App Store. I put a link in the description, or just bring your camera over this QR code and it's the same link, it'll open. So after you have the app installed, open Instagram first and find some post with videos in it. Then hit the triple dot on it and hit copy link. Then go back to Cast Button and hit paste. So like if this post has many videos in it, it'll load all the different videos in the post. Now you gotta make sure you're on the same Wi-Fi as your Chromecast, because it's not gonna work if you're just on cellular like LTE or 3G. It'll only work over Wi-Fi. So hit any of the videos and then select your device. So for me it's my living room TV. But for you, it's going to be whatever you named your Chromecast when you set it up. So it'll play your video. You can also just type the profile name of the Instagram account, and the app just loads the most recent posts. It can't find all the posts, so if you want to see the older posts, you need to go to Instagram and copy the link over there and paste it. Yeah, so it's pretty quick, and the app doesn't cost anything, so I put a link in the description. Yeah, cheers.